It was Halloween 2023, and like every year, Blair was looking to improve the display. For inspiration, he searched the web for ideas, and then a flying ghost machine appeared in a search. It was game on. The main component for this build would be bicycle wheels, and by luck, a neighbor threw out 2 bikes, giving Blair the 4 wheels needed to start the project. Most of the builds found online have 2 points that the ghost would fly between, but this build would use 4 points for more effect, and designed to be mobile and easy to set up. This would be achieved by using a 10-foot length of 1-inch square steel tube for the upright, and a square steel plate for the base. Keeping it easy to assemble, a piece of square tube with an inner dimension of 1 inch was welded to the center of each plate. A 5-inch piece of angle iron was drilled out to receive a bike wheel and welded to the top of the 10-foot upright. 4 of these were fabricated for the display. Since a truck was being integrated, a custom mount for the trailer hitch to receive an upright was welded. A 4-foot length of the 1-inch receiver steel was used as an anchor point. By hammering it into the ground 2 feet, it was important to determine that there were no water, electrical, or gas lines running underneath that point before proceeding. The drive motor choice was a Makita paddle mixer with a simple dimmer switch to adjust the speed. The bike wheel used to drive the machine needed to be rigid and not spin on its own, so several spot welds were laid in the bearing to seize the wheel. The first test of the flying machine was with 2 points, using 80-pound test braided fishing line and some fishing leaders. The line was installed with the assistance of a Noma grabber pole. Tension to the line was applied by moving 1 upright. The base was sandbagged for support. Lightweight ghosts were then installed, made from old shears and small plastic skull heads. For a visual effect, LED diodes were taped to watch batteries, then stuffed into the head of each ghost. The ghosts were suspended from a short piece of fishing line with a swivel hook at the end to attach to the line. At each point, where there was a ghost attached to the main line, a fishing leader swivel was tied in. For easy installation and removal of the ghosts, it's much easier to set up your main line without the ghosts attached. Once the first test was completed, Blair moved on to the 4-point layout. A few keynotes to getting the flying ghost machine to work right are: the wheels carrying the line must be on the same plane, in this case all 10 feet off the ground. Fortunately, the land was flat where it was installed. Check that your wheels are level and true while they turn. Adjust the tension of the line and speed that works for your display. There is also the weight of the ghost and length for each run that you will need to factor into your design. All the ghosts were evenly spaced between the wheels, so no 2 would ever be on the same run. Be prepared to reset the main line multiple times until you get your display balanced correctly. The grabber pole with a flashlight taped to it is a handy tool to have on hand for this. Once the flying machine was set correctly, it ran all night flawlessly. The day after Halloween, Blair decided to test the flying ghost machine's maximum speed and cranked it until the line came down. They were really flying. An awesome build and Halloween. Remember to like and subscribe. Cheers.
2